Hello everyone, welcome to my home cooked food SA YouTube channel. The channel is very much new. The reason I started the channel is because I love food. Not only do I love food, I also enjoy cooking so much, and whatever happens, however my day is going, whether it ended in a sad note or a good note, I will always cook me a home cooked meal that will of course taste delicious. And the funny part is that I live alone in the city, away from my hometown. I'm a working individual, so most people who live alone hardly cook. Hey, I would buy takeouts at work, and the moment I get home, I will cook me a wholesome meal. That's how much I'm so passionate about food. And a lot of times I do get backlash when I post food on my WhatsApp, and people will be like, I'm showing off, I'm flashing. No, honey, I am not showing off. I love food. The same way that people will flaunt alcohol on their statuses or their posts is the same way that I will post food, because they love their alcohol. Me as a non-drinker, I love my food. So that's how much I love food, you guys. And come join me on this wonderful journey. We'll be sharing some original recipes, and I hope you will also give me ideas as well on the comment section. Don't forget, don't be shy to like, comment, share, and do definitely subscribe if you love the content. Thank you so much, and welcome to the family.